Welcome to all. Myself, Mr. Bulaki Bawashok, Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's, Abasaheb Marathi Arts and New Commerce Science College, Rajapur. Today's lectures, we have going to discuss the topic phenol. You know that phenols are aromatic hydroxy compounds in which the hydroxyl group is directly attached to the aromatic benzene ring. Phenols are classified as mono, di, or tri, etc. It means that the one of these hydroxyl group, it is known as a mono. It is also mono. 2-hydroxyl group, it is a di. It is also 2-hydroxyl group, it is di. It is a 3-hydroxyl group, it is a tri. So it is classified accordingly mono, di, tri to the with respect to the OH group. For example, if the benzene ring is attached to a single OH group are named as the carbolic acid. If this one of this hydroxyl group and one of this methyl group is attached to benzene ring are called as O-cresol. And if both hydroxyl group are there in benzene ring, it having the one of the hydroxyl group and other hydroxyl group with respect to meta positions with each other, which is called as the name is a resorcinol. Means this OH group with respect to this are meta position and this OH group with respect to this OH group which are the meta positions. If the two hydroxyl group which are at a ortho position in the benzene ring is called as catechol. If the two hydroxyl group which are attached to the para position in benzene ring is called as the name is a hydroquinone. And if the 3-hydroxyl group attached to the benzene ring with respect to the meta positions with each other, the are named as the fluoroglycinol. So these compounds are called as a fluoroglycinol. These phenols structures which are very important to the know about the structures and their name accordingly with your best knowledge. Next point we have see the preparation of phenol. So firstly we have prepared phenols from halobenzene like the substitution reactions. The substitution reactions of chlorobenzene by OH under normal conditions which are very difficult. But when chlorobenzene are heated with aqueous NaOH at higher temperature is about 350 degrees centigrade, under high pressure it gives a phenol, and this process which is called as Dawes process. For example, this chlorobenzene we can treat with the sodium hydroxide, it having a 340 degrees centigrade temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure to get the to get the intermediate as the sodium phenoxide. And those sodium phenoxides which on hydrolysis with hydrochloric acid, then what happens? The O minus pick up this proton and to form the phenol is here as the products. Next reactions we have take like the para-chloronitrobenzene. This para-chloronitrobenzene Para-nitrochlorobenzenes can treat with the sodium hydroxide at 170 degrees centigrade, and to get similarly to form sodium phenoxide are here, and these sodium phenoxides intermediates are treated with the dilute HCl and to get corresponding phenols like para-nitrophenol. But we compare these two reactions, we see here the type of reactions is require higher temperature is about 340 degrees centigrade, but these reactions it required only 170 degrees centigrade temperatures. Why it is observed such a type of reaction can be decreased in this reaction? From these two reactions, only difference is that the one of the nitro group are here, and these nitro group act as a electron withdrawing group, and therefore these electrons at that benzene ring, it will be removing or it will be attracted towards the nitro group, and therefore this benzene ring it will be deactivated, and hence the incoming nucleophile OH is attack on this benzene ring and replaced by Cl it be easily as compared to these reactions. In these reactions, what happens? It is a high electron density, and therefore the incoming nucleophile OH is attack on this nucleophilic substitution and replaced by Cl, which are not easily possible in this reaction. But at that reaction, what happens? The electrons can attracted towards nitro group and deactivated the benzene ring, and hence nucleophilic attack are easily can take place, and to get the reaction products easily it having a lower temperature. Then next phenols we are prepared like ortho para dinitrochlorobenzene are treated with hydroxides like sodium hydroxide. It only small heating conditions and to get these type of intermediates. After formation of such intermediates can treat with a dilute hydrochloric acid, then what happens? This O minus pick up the proton is here and to form corresponding phenols. The name of this phenol is ortho-para-dinitrophenol. But we compare these about two reactions, and these reactions we see that still lower the temperature can be happens because it is the two nitro group are here, that is a one nitro and it is also second nitro group. So these both nitro group which act as a electron withdrawing group, and therefore these nitro group and these nitro groups are deactivates the benzene ring, and therefore the both nitro groups are deactivate the benzene ring, and hence the OH minus is an incoming nucleophile is easily attack on this carbon by nucleophilic substitution and replaced by Cls are get easily possible, only a small heating conditions, and to get corresponding the phenoxide, and with this phenoxide we can dilute with acid to get corresponding phenol. Here also we compare about three reactions like these two reactions, and these reactions these here the only warming these reactions to what the products which is possible. Why it is a possible? because the three nitro group are there. This is a one nitro, this is second, and this is third. So name is the one sorry 2,6 2,4,6 trinitro-chlorobenzene. Therefore, this 2,4,6 trinitro-chlorobenzene we treat with only water conditions to get the 2,4,6 trinitrophenol as the product to get the easily, because three nitro groups which can deactivate this benzene ring by attracting the proton are here by nitro group. So three nitro group which can release the electrons, and therefore water molecules easily attack on this carbon and replace Cl to get the products are easily possible. Next reaction, phenols from sulfonic acids. So benzene sulfonic acids which can be converted into sodium salt with sodium hydroxide. Like these benzene sulfonic acids are treated with sodium hydroxide, then what happens? This sodium hydroxide pick up proton from the sulfonic acid and to get the intermediate as sodium sulfonate, sodium benzene sulfonate. This dry sodium benzene sulfonate are fused with caustic soda like sodium hydroxide at 300 degrees centigrade, and it gives sodium phenoxide as the intermediate. And you know that this sodium phenoxide we can treat with the acid hydrolysis with water to get the phenol. So this sodium phenoxide are treated with water. The alkaline solution of sodium phenoxide which is saturated with CO2 under pressure to liberate as a phenol. Similarly, the sodium phenoxides are easily to get the phenol like taking in a hydrochloric acid to get corresponding phenols. This is the another method like a sodium phenoxide which is the intermediate from back reactions which treat with CO2 and water to get the corresponding phenols. Another methods like sodium phenoxides are treated with sulfur dioxide and water. It is also one of these method to prepare these corresponding phenol. Now we have seen these three reactions are very similar reactions to prepare the phenols, and but this finally the formation of phenol. Firstly, these intermediate like a sodium phenoxide which is obtained by these methods, which is the phenols from sulfonic acids. So firstly the sulfonic acids which can be converted into sodium benzene sulfonate. But in this reaction, why these sodium hydroxide take the protons? Because those protons which are more acidic and loosely held at these positions, and therefore this OH minus take the protons and to form the sodium sulfonate. Dry sodium benzene sulfonate which fuse with caustic soda. You know caustic soda, sodium hydroxide are called as a caustic soda, and its caustic soda are treated to get the corresponding phenoxide. And then after formation of this phenoxide by these three methods, we are used to prepare the corresponding phenols. Is here one of the method, second method are there, and this is a third method.